In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Xero without the Authenticator app. Whether you've misplaced your phone or simply prefer to manage your account differently, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Let's dive right in. To start, open your browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're there, proceed to the dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access a variety of functions within your Xero account. If you're not automatically directed to the dashboard, you might need to enter your login credentials first, your email and password linked to the Xero account. Once you've accessed the dashboard, look for the account section. Clicking on this will grant you access to your account settings where we can make the necessary adjustments. This is a crucial part of the process, so ensure you're in the correct section before proceeding further. On the account settings page, locate the option labeled multi-factor authentication. This is important because for you to log in without the Authenticator app, multi-factor authentication must either be turned off or not set up at all. If you've previously relied on an Authenticator app for this layer of security, be aware that disabling it will remove an important security measure, so consider this carefully. If it hasn't been set up, you're already on the right path. Assuming multi-factor authentication is enabled, you can follow the prompts to turn it off. This typically involves verifying your identity, perhaps by receiving an email or text message with a verification code. Once you've successfully disabled it, you can log in using just your username and password. Remember, while this process allows ease of access, it also reduces security. It is essential to ensure that your password is strong and unique. Consider using a password manager to help maintain security without sacrificing convenience. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to access your Xero account without needing the Authenticator app. With technology constantly evolving, there are often several paths to achieve a goal. This method is designed for those moments when you need a simple workaround. That wraps up our detailed guide. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to consult Xero's support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. See you next time.